her jump up on me. Her collar is like making her neck look dingy. Go close the refrigerator. Why don't you be one of those dogs that's good for something? Nala, go close the refrigerator. Go close the refrigerator. Go. You're supposed to be an emotional support dog. Go close the refrigerator. Girl, you gotta brush them gums. You gotta brush them gums, girl. You gotta take care of your oral hygiene, girl. Close the refrigerator. Let me teach her how to close it. Come on. Come close it. Close the refrigerator. Ugh. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Come on. Close it. See? Good girl. Good girl. Next, she'll